Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay via text message. This feature allows you to send and receive money directly within your conversations, making transactions quick and convenient. To begin, simply open your Messages app and either start a new chat or select an existing one. Look for the Apple Pay button, which typically appears as a small icon or a plus sign next to the text input field, and tap it to initiate the payment process. Once you've tapped the Apple Pay button, a payment interface will appear. Here, you can easily enter the exact amount of money you want to send. After inputting the amount, take a moment to review all the payment details, ensuring the recipient and the sum are correct. To finalize the transaction and authorize the transfer, you will be prompted to use your preferred authentication method, whether that's Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode, providing a secure way to complete your payment. Receiving money through Apple Pay and Messages is just as straightforward. When someone sends you funds, you'll receive a notification directly within your conversation. Simply tap on this message to open and view the payment details. You'll then see an option to accept the payment. Once accepted, the money will be automatically deposited into your Apple Cash card, which is linked to your wallet app, making it readily available for your use or transfer to your bank account. Your Apple Cash card is a versatile tool for managing the funds you receive. You can easily access it within the Wallet app on your iPhone. From there, you have the option to transfer your Apple Cash balance to your linked bank account, typically within 1 to 3 business days, or instantly for a small fee. Alternatively, you can use your Apple Cash directly for purchases, both online and in stores, anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, offering great flexibility for your digital funds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.